it's Adrian's Gaming. So today, guys, I will be playing Gunfights. Also, it's for ages 9. So today, guys, I'll be playing Gunfights. Let's get the video started. You guys might see the screen. We got 1,000,000 credits. We're gonna put it actually down. We got 1,000. We got 1,000 back. So we're literally low-key going for the best SMG. All right. All right, guys. Watch this. Dang it. All right. Alright, guys. That scared me for a moment. Watch this, guys. I was... Sir? Boom? Alright. Whoa. Tagged. Buddy, what are you doing? 3-1 street. Come on, get that coin. Alright, guys, we're gonna hide in here real quick. We're actually gonna go in here real quick. Oh yeah, there might be some red team players here. Oh. Alright, guys. Also, guys, hope you guys are having a nice time watching this video. Here's all the red team players. Boom. That was easy. Ba. Oh my gosh. 2 kids. Dang it. Well, that was kind of hard. Three. Alright, guys. Oh my gosh, I didn't see him. I didn't see him, guys. Double, whopper, whopper. Gosh, oh gosh, gosh. Oh my gosh, dang it, that guy hit me with a... No. I'm not getting that. Okay, decent. 7 tags, 2 spawns, 5 highest win streak. Highest streak. Honestly, who cares, honestly? Let's do this, bro. Well, this is a farm. I wonder if there's any horses in here. Bro, I'm gonna get the first kill, bro. Just watch this. First kill. Low key. Low key. Low key. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Full of red team players right now. The red team is crazy. Nope. Oh my gosh. Yes. Redrain. Come on, redrain. Oh my gosh. No, I died. How's hard? Are we in first place still? So you're in first place. We're in... Bro, no. I'm in 4th place. It's just okay. Tagfish. Come on, little fishy. Low key. Third place, 4th place. Dang it! Are you serious? I'm in 4th place again. Yes. I'm protecting my teammates. Teammate is safe. Alright guys, I really... Oh my gosh. Double kill. You actually... Stop. Alright bro, there's gonna be more little Timmys coming. Yo! I'm in 2nd place. I didn't get to 1st place. Yo, actually, I might get to 1st place. Yo, actually, I might just get to 1st place. Yo, I can get to 1st place. Yes. Come on, older. This is so bad, bro. Oh my God. We cannot let that kid get any kills. he gets 1 kill, that's fine. But if he gets more than 1 kill, then we're over. Yo, no. Yo! My chance? Chance? Oh, shit, this is not my chance, bro. I thought I was going to get to first place. Yo! I might catch up to this guy, bro. Seriously. Assist. Shoot. There's that kid. Okay. Okay, bet. Take cover. Take cover. That's clean. Yo, seriously, that was actually kind of clean. Oh my gosh. Yo, buddy, calm down, bro. Calm down. Bro, there's like a whole pack of these things. Oh my gosh. Bro, low-key, that was kind of hard. But that does not matter. Because we're in second place. Which I'm happy about. My goal is to get to 5,000, guys. After 2 games, I'm gonna end my video. After 2 games, since it's our first game. Oh my gosh, I'm in 4th place. You gotta be kidding me. Any red team players? Where the heck is the red team players, bro? There's one over there. Reload. Bop. Assist. Oh my gosh. Yo, that was seriously easy. Easy dubs. W in the chat. Bro, I need that wheel. I need 100,000 credits to literally get 2,000 credits. Then I'm gonna be 2 more away to 5,000, bro. That's my goal, to get 5,000, because I want something for 5,000. They're like hard mode players, bro. And there's so much. Oh, that red team player is last. Brother! Brother! Yo, for real. Take cover! Easy. I mean, I'm gonna stop, like, being, toxic. Okay? GG's, bro. GG's, seriously. You did good. Good job. Bro, how did those 2 people just get exploded? Like, seriously. Oh my gosh. Kids. Bro. At least there's like 4 minutes left. Which is actually kind of good. Because after this game, bro, we're in hard mode. Bro, that kid got 55 kills. That's fire lit, bro. I need to beat this kid into 2nd place, bro. Seriously. Bro, I need to get more than this kid's kills, bro. Yo, this is so crazy. I'm in 5th place. You gotta be kidding me. Come on. Yes, come on. Tag. Come on. Oh my gosh, who's coming? Reload. Bro, I'm still in 4th place. You gotta be kidding me. Oh my. I mean, 4th place at least, but it's not enough. Actually, after this game, my video is gonna be over. Guys, bro, it's like taking so much longer. Yes, sir? Emotional damage for everybody, honestly. You know, real. Yo! Oh! Oh! Yo, what did I just do? Bro. Whoa! Bro! What did I just do? Did you guys see that? OMGs. Oh my gosh. Okay? Bro, seriously. Change back. Bro, this is a fire weapon, bro. Low key, that bomb thing, bro, was fire. Lit, actually. Bro, I couldn't, bro. That was for real amazing, bro. You didn't use that. I mean, if that wasn't a weapon, bro, did you see what the heck happened? Like, everybody was like, boom, a boom. A boom, a boom. Bop, bop. Assist. Bro, I think I just headshotted somebody. Yo, this is just like Fortnite, but in a different way. It's just on Roblox. Maybe next video when I do Roblox. Bro, 11,000. I can get 2K credits. I need to get 500 credits, guys. Look. For this thing. Five. Is there any other SMGs? Wait, before we end the video, just let me see how much I get. Credits earned, bro. We got 54,000. Yo, is that Fulton? Yo, or is this just? Yo, is this actually the real fault? Nah, that's not a real fault. Yeah, I knew it. No. Can't buy Robux, bro. How can I need it? Yo. Primary. Oh, see how this? Ooh. For real, this is nice. Yo, actually, dang. It's just like a sniper, but different. It's like a paintball gun from Rivals. Alright, guys. Watch how Alphabet learns. Bro! This weapon is seriously good. Watch this, guys. Watch this. Watch this, guys. Watch this. Bro, I can make sure everybody... Bro, I can kill all these people, bro. Watch this. Bro, this is so easy. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Oh my gosh. Yo, brother. Oh my gosh, bro. It looks like I'm using hacks, but no, I'm actually not. Yes, free spin. What? I got a free spin. Oh. Come on, bro. 2K credits. I also really wanted... Come on, don't move the nuke. If it moves the nuke, I'm mad. Alright. See how much I get. Third one, okay. W. Yo! Whoa! What is this? Yo, what kind is this? Is it like a SMG? Well, yo, actually, let me try this. Whoa, people. Okay, that was actually kind of easy. Bro, is this like a kind of SMG or something? Or this is just a different kind? Whoa. Where are the people shooting me from? Whoa. Whoa, where? Yo, yo. What? Oh my gosh, bro. A German AR chambered. We need to look for a French. We need to look for a SMG, bro. Seriously. SMG. Seriously. Alright guys, hope you guys have a nice time and see you guys next time. Peace.